Hi, I'm Dr. Lindsay Trottier. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine practicing in San Diego, California. And today I'm going to take you through a little bit of my morning routine. Around the same time that I'm getting ready and using my neti pot, you can check out an earlier video I did of how to use a neti pot in the morning, is every morning I like to use this tool. A lot of people know these as facial rollers. They're sometimes made in jade. This one's rose quartz. You can get clear quartz. There's an amethyst. I like to use these. A lot of people know these as a cosmetic tool, and I do like to help tone up some areas of my skin. But the biggest reason I started using this every morning is to help with my sinuses. It really helps with moving any stuck phlegm or lymph that builds up, and can help clear these passageways so that you can breathe clearly through your nose and not have any buildup that will cause post-nasal drip. So that little, that people do in the morning or through the day. This is a really good tool to incorporate. It doesn't take very long. So I'm going to show you what I do. So before I put on any makeup, I usually like to use some kind of serum that I'll rub in. Okay, so I'll just put that over my skin. I don't have any specific recommendations, but you can use I've been told vitamin C serum is good for the day. And I also like to put it on my neck and chest as well. So what I'll do is I'll start with the big side, and I will pull my hair back so you can see. I'll start on one side, and I'll start doing downward motions over the throat and neck area. Okay, you want to pull your hair back so it doesn't get caught. And then I will go from the midline out. So starting under the jaw. This is also really good if you have TMJ problems, if you're clenching your jaw, grinding your teeth. Okay, over the chin. And if you find any tender areas, you can spend a little bit more time. So I usually do 5 to 10 passages over each area. Okay, so I'm going over the jawbone right now. And then I go next to the nose, do some little areas, and then sweep under the cheekbone toward the ear, over the cheekbone, and then using the smaller side, I gently go underneath the eye, over the eyebrow area. I like to spend a little more time here. I get a lot of tenderness in this area, probably because I'm squinting at my phone or my iPad. And then I will go in between over yin tong, this point, the unicorn point, I like to call it, the third eye. Okay, open that up and work on those 11s that we get, right? Spend a little more time right here over this muscle that causes that frown, and you get that little wrinkle. Okay, now then I go over the forehead. I like to go up and down first, and I also like to get right on the hairline. So this area can get a little tender and get some headaches here. Okay, I like to go up and down, and then I like to go out. And now you can work on the temple right here. What I will do is I will start from the midline, and I will sweep it behind my ear and down, following these lymph paths. And even I feel everything's already moving. And then I will repeat on the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side quickly, just so you see. This generally doesn't take me more than 5 minutes in the morning. Okay, ooh, a little tender right there. I really noticed when I'm mixing herbs in the clinic, especially the granules, you know, sometimes a little bit of powder is flying everywhere, and I would start sneezing. And you know, now it's illegal. Today is January 7th, 2021. You cannot sneeze in public. And once I started doing this, I was not as susceptible to that dust powder. It didn't irritate me as much. I don't feel like I have as many problems with my allergies. Okay, and then another place I like to work is through here, especially for women, well, and men. A lot of times I have people who have neck and upper back pain, and I always check their pecs, because this area can get really tight and we don't notice it. So you can work along the collarbone toward the shoulder, okay? Some people get like thoracic outlet symptoms, where this area gets so tight, nerve and blood supply come through here, and you'll get tingling in your fingers or pain down your arms. Okay, so you can work out here. Yeah, I can feel that in my arm and fingers. It's opening up, right? We're always leaning forward, driving, cooking, picking up our kids, typing. Everything is going forward. So I have some other videos too about how to open up this area and strengthen the back, because in the tug of war, when these are tight and these are weak, this is the area that's going to get pain, usually first, okay? So I work there, and the same over here. And women, if you sleep on your side, you might notice this skin is finer, and you might start to get wrinkles in this area too from sleeping on your side, especially if you have larger breasts. So doing this will help also firm up the skin. I know they have special creams and lotions for this area that you can also put on and then help work in with your roller. Okay, I like to go over these shoulders a little bit too sometimes. And I'm not pushing hard. Please do not push hard. If you're finding that they're very tight areas, you can look into getting some additional therapy from someone who is a licensed professional to work on that area. But I'm not pressing hard here at all. Okay, and that's my morning routine. This took a little longer just because I'm explaining things to you, but really it doesn't take more than 5 minutes. This is a simple tool. You can use alcohol to clean it every time. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can contact me. My website is lindsaytrottier.com, and I am soon to be opening my clinic Level Acupuncture. So I hope to see you there. Thanks, everybody.